What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashim. This is today's front squat workout video. So I was supposed to go in and do a whole bunch of exercises. I was supposed to do weighted pull-ups, then I was supposed to do these high rep front squats, high volume front squats, and high rep as well. Yes, 12 reps is a lot of weight. It's a lot of reps. See, I'm I'm so exhausted from this workout. So yeah, I was supposed to do weighted pull-ups, I was supposed to do front squats, and then I was supposed to do shrugs, but I was really short of time, and it was pouring outside. It's monsoon climate over here in Bombay, tropical monsoon. So I was soaked getting to the gym, walking from my car to the gym, and you can see that in some of my clips. What I have to say is front squats 185 for 4 sets of 12 reps. I thought it would be pretty challenging, and it was. It wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. And that's good actually, because I wanted it to be that way. I didn't want it to be a walk in the park, and at the same time I didn't want it to be so difficult that next week when I come in I'm going to have to really worry about trying to hit that number again. So all in all, the purpose of this was to make sure that my thighs are tired as hell, and they are. So I think I'm going to be very sore, something which I've not experienced in quite a while. Now there are a couple of changes that I want to make to my routine that I've written to Eric about. And whether or not these changes are okayed by him, because unless he gives me the okay, I'm not going to do them. So if he does give me the okay, then you guys will have a separate video for that, in which case I'll give you a more formalized training plan of what I'm doing right now. But the rough gist is that Saturdays are going to be heavy deadlift days, where I'm doing Eric Troy's maintenance mode. Sundays are going to be was supposed to be weighted pull-ups and a bunch of other stuff like I mentioned, but it's just going to be front squats. And front squats I'm going to do 4 sets of 12 reps. And then every third week or fourth week, depending on whatever it is that I feel like, I'm going to be doing a heavy front squat session like I used to before, just hitting the heavy doubles, singles, triples, stuff like that. So whenever that happens, I'm going to be switching out Sunday and Tuesday workouts. I'm going to be switching them. So I'll be doing my Sunday workout on Tuesday so I can go as heavy as possible. Now, after front squats, I want to do some Romanian deadlifts, lightweight Romanian deadlifts, but I'm not sure whether it's possible because I've done heavy deadlifts the night before. So I don't really know how this is going to go, but I'm thinking of, say, doing 135 pounds for 3 sets of 20 reps or something like that, which is not going to be overly exhausting. At the same time, hits all the muscles. So let's see what happens. In addition to this, I am planning on doing my back workout on Tuesday, and then shoulders and triceps and all that other stuff on Wednesday. So yeah, this is what my proposition. So what I'm proposing to Eric, this type of training plan. But let's see what he has to say. He'll have probably got some much better insight into this. So yeah, guys, today was extremely grueling. I got all 4 sets recorded for you guys. This is set number 4. Set 3 was the worst, by the way. Set 3 I wanted to vomit after I was done, but set 4 was I felt much better, and I could have probably done 1 or 2 more reps. So I'm happy. It was good. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Thanks a lot for your love and support. Thank you.